So in this video, we are going to explain to you how easy it is to design your hat on the Richardson website. So right now you will see that we are on the Rocky Mountain Teamwear website, and I will explain how this page will work. If you click on this button, it's going to take you directly over to the Richardson webpage. Right here, this is the top 4 sellers that Richardson does offer. And then we have a couple different series that are listed. Right here, it's a performance team series, then your trucker hats, and then the on-field series. There are several other options. Again, if you click here, it will take you directly to where you can select those. But these are Richardson's most popular hats. For this example, we are going to go ahead and order a trucker hat. So we'll just click on this button here. And then as you can see within our website, Rocky Mountain Teamwear, it's going to show several different trucker hat options. For this video, we are going to go ahead and order this first one. This is going to give you some more product information directly about this hat, some key features. It's going to talk about the featured decoration for this hat. This right here is a woven patch, and we'll come back and address that in just a moment. And then it's going to give you some product specifications. If you click on this button to customize this style, it will take you directly over to the Richardson website, directly to this hat that we can customize. This hat design right here is what was featured, but we're going to go with a different design for this video purpose. We're going to go ahead and do the split color one with the gray and white. There are these different views here, so you can see what this hat would look like in different views or any of these other hats. So let's go back to this gray and white one. And now step 2, now that we've chosen the hat color, step 2 is the front design. I want a custom design and some custom artwork. Again, there are other options, either stock designs, and then this would be where within the Richardson website you can choose different fonts and type different things that they do allow within their website. But for this, we're going to go ahead and do custom artwork. This is where it's going to talk about the decoration. Let me switch back over quickly to the Rocky Mountain Teamwear site where we mentioned the featured decoration that we would address later. So this is this point. So for this, you have several different options here. The featured decoration on the one on our website was a patch. And as you can see, the patches, there is a 48-piece minimum. Many of these others have 48. This one even had 72. And as you can see, there's a couple at 72. Embroidery does not have as high of a minimum, but it does require you to order at least 18. If you have more questions about these different decoration styles, you can come up here to the decoration tab. And then as you can see, there are different options here. If we go to patches and then that woven label patch that was featured on our website, you can see that the woven patches offer a higher level than an embroidery patch, which is different than flat embroidery or 3D embroidery. But these patches themselves are actually woven, and then this patch is stitched onto your hat. Again, there is a minimum order quantity. So let's flip back to this screen where we are going to go ahead and design this hat. I am going to choose for this purpose, I am going to choose embroidery and then 3D. Oh, and I'm on the wrong screen. This is the front design. Number 2 is the front design. So we've got custom artwork. I'm going to go with embroidery, 3D embroidery. Now I'm going to upload my design that I just have saved on my computer. You don't have to upload a vector unless you have one. You now can choose the location where you would like this logo. I do want this front and center, and now you can choose size, whether it's full size, medium, or small. And I'm going to go ahead with the full size. And then this step right here is required. You do need to add in the colors that you would like this logo to be. And I am going to go ahead and add in the colors. You do need the PMS colors. This does, it will correspond with your uniforms if you are doing these with like baseball, football, any type of uniform. You can Google what the PMS color codes are, or if you are ordering your uniforms through Rocky Mountain Teamwear, this is something we can definitely help you with as well. And then let's go to this next step. We're now on step 3. This is the back design. If you do something on the back or sides, there is an upgraded charge for that. I'm going to go ahead and keep this blank, sides blank as well. And now we are on to quantities. Like I said, there is a minimum of 18 for this. It does let me know this is in stock. If you do see that this is out of stock, it will give you a date that they should be available again. If it's too far out, then you can just come back and change this step 1 and choose a different hat color and see if that is available. And now that we have made it to this step, we are done. We're going to go ahead and click this Finish View Summary. And I am already logged in. If you weren't logged in, you would have to type in your name, your email, and a password, and then you would create an account, and then you need to click the Save and View button. This is going to give this a save design, and then you are going to go ahead and download this design summary here. This will download this design right here to your computer. This is the attachment that you would need to send to us at Rocky Mountain Teamwear so we can go ahead and get this hat ordered for you and give you a price quote to see if it is something that you'd like to continue with. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We are always happy to help. I hope you understand that this is such an easy process and really a hands-on way to design your own custom hats and see what they will look like right in the comfort of your own home.